In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Canvas mode in ChatGPT. Canvas is an interface that lets you work with ChatGPT on writing and coding projects that go beyond simple back and forth messages. Think of it as a focused workspace that sits alongside your conversation, so you can draft, edit, and refine content while the model helps you iterate in real time. Here's how to get into it. Start by opening any chat with ChatGPT. It can be a new chat or an existing one. What matters is that you're in the message box at the bottom of the screen. With your cursor active in that box, type a single /, then type the word Canvas, spelled C-A-N-V-A-S, and press Enter. That's it. When the command is recognized, the Canvas interface will appear, giving you a dedicated area to write or work with code while keeping the conversation visible and connected. Once the canvas appears, use it as your working document. You can paste in a draft, sketch an outline, or start from a blank space. The key advantage is context. As you write it, you can ask ChatGPT to clarify, improve, or restructure specific parts, and your changes stay side by side with the chat. This makes longer tasks, like drafting an article or debugging a function, much easier to manage because you don't lose your place or your history. A few tips to get the most out of it. Before you start typing, tell ChatGPT what you're aiming to create and how you want it to help. Editing for tone, checking logic, or suggesting alternatives. Inside the canvas, label sections with short headings so feedback stays organized. If you're working with code, keep comments clear and concise so suggestions are precise. And remember that your Canvas content is linked to the chat, so you can revisit earlier iterations without hunting through scattered messages. If you type the command and nothing happens, double-check that you entered it in the message box, that you spelled Canvas correctly, and that you pressed Enter to submit. A quick page refresh can help if the interface didn't load properly. Availability can vary depending on your region, plan, or app version, so make sure you're using an up-to-date browser or app. That's the simple process. Open a chat, type /canvas, press Enter, and start working in a cleaner, more powerful space. Try it on your next writing or coding session to keep momentum and clarity as you build, revise, and ship your work.